Oh, that's picked up beautifully. That's going to go for 4.
In his first game today, he's got another boundary off the first ball.
He's got that away, and that's 4 more. So now it's Basit Ali who's picked up a boundary.
And timed it elegantly behind point. Really can't blame anyone.
It's a good shot. That's through the hands, I think. Perhaps should have been stopped, but it went quickly.
No, it's gone through the hands before he's actually got his body behind it.
That's beautifully played too.
Oh, such a good technique. Triggers, sets himself up as still, and then moves from there according to where the ball is pitched.
It's a bit of a bottom edge, and that's gone fine. Nice shot of that bottom edge of the bat. Chopped away, backward a square. That's a fine stroke.
Plays the ball so well, finds the gaps. We've seen him go on the left side of that man. This time he goes to the right.
Oh, it's a good strong shot that down the ground. Beautifully played by Basit Ali for 4.
The field is up. He knows I just need to get it past mid-on or mid-off. Does exactly that. Knew it was 4 the moment he hit it.
Cries of catch it. It's a little bit finer than catching, and it's gone for 4. Really was a fine stroke. I knew he was going to stop. Even though he'd hit a couple of 4s, he was going to hit the next one for 4 if he got the opportunity.
That is a beautiful shot.
Amazing, whether it's the fast bowlers or the spinners. Basit Ali, he's so good to watch.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's just so easy.
That's the difference between an average batter and an above average. The moment he gets a bad delivery, he makes sure it goes to the boundary. It's not a single, it's not a double, it goes to the boundary.
Nice shot. I was just thinking they haven't got a boundary for a while.
And it's off the bat of Basit Ali. He goes down, straight down the ground, takes on the bowler.
Out. Tried to go again. And it is Zayola who has the wicket, and it's the big wicket of Basit Ali.
Premeditated, maybe. Went for a big heave. It was an arm ball this time. Stayed low. Took the off stump of Basit Ali. He has to walk back for 44. A very well made 44. Zayola gets the last laugh.
Oh, back-to-back wickets. First delivery.
This time it's Tayyib Arif going for that big lavish drive, missing the length.
The Raiders continue to get wickets, and that's the problem. The execution was what was wrong.
He didn't even touch it. That was at middle stump. When you do that and try this pedal, you're exposing your stumps. No bat on it. And this is, say, by the 15th, say, a little more than a couple, gone. Maybe a little earlier.
Yes, it was. And it's hit right at the end of the bat. If there had been more pace on the ball, probably would have hit it closer to the middle of the bat, and it might have cleared that man. Simple catch in the end. And the Royals continue to fall into deeper trouble. Wickets falling consistently. 23 balls since the last boundary. Make that 24. Oh, that's a misfield, and it's gone to the boundary.
You've done the hard yards. You've done well to get the opposition into pressure. Now, why would you let that go? I know nobody does that deliberately. We gotta have more levels of concentration. It's a good-looking shot. Can he beat him? Yes, he does.
Wow, what a finish to the over. That one he's hit properly. It's forced it wide of extra cover. Wide enough of long off. Closes off the over with 2 boundaries. A good one, 12 from it. 6 overs. Wow, that's not going to happen.
Sending us Sajjad Ali up in the order. He's offered a nothing shot. It's just hanging his bat out away from the body, gets an inside edge. If he's your power hitter, you got to swing it.
But that would work really well for Raiders.
Hard, down the ground. Good shot.
And Mohammad Danish, who has been added in the Royal side, goes down the ground. It was a very good shot. An equally good effort in the field. Ziaullah.
Slow ball, picked it up.
In which gap he wanted to put it away. And he put it away in style.
Oh, direct hits. Will be, I think, out.
Ahmed Hussain has already started walking. And this is why. Haroon Arshad at point. And yes, the decision is out. He has to walk back.
The Raiders. Hard down the ground. That's nicely played.
He is a fighter, definitely, whether it's with the ball or the bat. Good shot down the ground. Ali Raza, the bowler.
So 16 fours now for the Raiders. Early call of 2. He's hit it so well, it's only going to be the 1, I think. Yep, sent back. And I think that's going to be out.
Danish responded to the captain, and then halfway down he said no. And Danish couldn't reach back. And those 3 letters out.
Low full toss. Shot at the stumps. That is a brilliant pick up and throw.
He's out by a mile. But excellent fielding by the Raiders.
40 required in 11 balls. Picked that up nicely. And 1 bounce and it's gone for 4.
It was short. Ahmed Hassan was the bowler. It was short. There was space on offer. And Coleman Finlay.
Bowled him.
He tried to use the crease. Made way for that lap sweep. But Amir Hassan, he was right at the stumps. Good bowling there. A lot of aggression.
Raza to bowl the last over. Zipped away from Zishan.
There was space on offer, and the fine leg fielder was quite wide. So easy 4 runs.
Good connection. It's got that away. It's pretty smartly for a boundary.